I have here is a rendering of a sphere which is inside a cube. Now I try my best to make this as realistic as possible. So hopefully the idea behind this picture gets through. Now the sphere that's inside this cube is, think of it, really try to picture this, think of a Rubik's Cube, and let's say if you kind of just scrape up everything inside so it becomes really see-through, and you place one of those small little medicine balls within that cube, within that Rubik's Cube. So that's your sphere, and that's being placed inside a cube, and all the sides are kind of touching each other. So moving on to this problem, the problem is saying a sphere is inscribed in a cube which has a volume of 8. So now if this cube has a volume of 8, and I know that the volume, or this volume of a cube is sides cubed, so 8 equals side cubed, and the side will be 2. So the length right here is 2, 2, and 2. So the length is 2 across there. And now the question is saying what is the volume of a sphere? And the volume of a sphere is this formula right here. And this formula is given to you on the test on the first page of the math section. So now I really need to figure out the radius of this sphere. And the radius of the sphere will just be as simply from that one point to this over here. Now you know that across here is 2. So so the radius here will just be 1. Because the radius, the whole thing across here from that one point to this point across is the diameter, which is 2. Half of that will just be 1. Sorry if this is getting a little messy, that line. So the radius will be 1. So now instead of that r, I can just plug in the 1, so it'll be 4/3 times pi times 1 cubed. 1 cubed is just 1. 1 times pi is pi. Pi times 4/3 is just 4/3, so just 4/3 pi as the volume of the sphere.